If you're looking for iPod dock alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 iPod dock alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Polaroid. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by eKids. Number 3, by Sony. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by iHome. Number 5, by Jaybird. Find these iPod dock alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by iHome. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by PowerLead. Number 9, by Memorex. Discover more iPod dock alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Rich Sound Research.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.